Why should you be using humour in your presentation or pitch or speech? Because people like it. We all like to laugh. We all warm to people who make us laugh. And quite honestly, it makes you more engaging, it makes you more likeable, and perhaps most importantly, it makes you more memorable. And let's face it, that's really the point of giving most speeches, is to be memorable. You want people to remember what you're telling them. Hopefully they'll go away and act on it. And humour is a great way to be more creative with it. Now note, I'm saying humour, not comedy. I think there's a difference. You're not trying to be a stand-up comic here. You're not trying to go in with really big, punchy gags or jokes. You're not really going for belly laughs. Quite honestly, aim for a smile. If you can make your audience smile, that will really connect. If you can make them chuckle, they will really warm to you. If you can make them laugh, even if it is just a gentle round of laughter, they are really listening to you and engaging. And particularly if you are halfway through a presentation, you can feel your audience starting to slip. Sometimes just bringing in a little bit of gentle humour at that point can really help to bring people back in. So don't feel that it needs to be big, uproarious things, and if you're not getting huge gales of laughter, that somehow you failed. Look around your audience. If you can see them smiling, you're doing something right. So don't feel that you need to be a stand-up. You're not. You're a presenter. You're looking for humour, not comedy. And in the future videos, we're going to be exploring exactly what that means and what you can use that is humorous, that will get a laugh or even just a smile.